Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to start dropshipping with $0, and it will be a completely Shopify dropshipping video for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already set up our Shopify store, and if you see the front-end design, this is our Shopify by default design. If you want to change it here, you are allowed to do the change whatever you want. So as you can see, this is dashboard, and we don't have, it is totally a brand new website. We don't have any product, then customer, as you can see, we don't have nothing. So how we can start dropshipping in here? This is really a great question. So we just need to click on this ads. Once you click over there, then you will get these options where you just need to click on this bottom button called Shopify App Store. Just click over here, then it will redirect you to the next tab where it will get you the options to activate or install an app for your Shopify store. So here you just need to search for drop shipping, and they will give you the options which is really useful for you. So here we have a couple of options called CJ dropshipping, then desert dropshipping. You can check this out one by one. These two are really amazing. I sometimes use both, so that's why I installed this one. So here you can see how they're
Dropshipping wrong suppliers.
So this is really amazing. You can use this one, or you can use this
To be
CJ
successful in
dropshipping. CG dropshipping is another one which is really amazing for or so useful for you. So I'm going to first of all work with this one. Let's click install. Once I click over here, then it will again redirect me to a new tab where they are telling us to install it properly. Just click on install. Once you install it, then it will redirect you to their website. Here you can see welcome to CJ. One step more to store authorization. So just log in or register a CJ account to authorize. So let's click. So I don't have any account yet, so I'm going to click on register where. Just click over here, then select this Google. So I am going to click this one, then to my mail, and then click on continue. Once I click over here, then it will redirect us to domain, as you can see it. So the process is really simple. Now they are telling us if you already have a store, please connect it to gain more service. So as you can see, they are telling us the step-by-step guidelines. So we just need to be follow this guideline. Just click on continue, and you just need to be choose your platform. Whereas it will be Shopify, Temu, TikTok Shop, eBay, Shopee, whatever you are like relevant to use. So I'm going to select this Shopify. Once I click over here, then it will be connected. So now they are telling us to authorize our shop. Just click over here again. And then once you click over here, then it will give you this option. Just click on open. And as you can see, I think it may be authorized perfectly. So that's why it redirects us to here. Just click on authorize, click on confirm. Let's wait a bit to complete it. Now here you can see authorization successfully, and CJ will help you to make dropshipping business much easier. So here you can see this is the dashboard panel, and we have to watch this one to know further more about CJ. So let's click on CJ dropshipping and open it in a new tab, and let's go cross this one. So I'm going to work with page supplies. So let's remove this one. Just click on okay, just cut this one, and let's go on. Let's furnace it's scratching post. So just click over this plus, and it will take a while to get it, and now it has been done. So I'm going to click on to the list. Just select this one, this product, and it will be open in the panel. So here recommend selling site, you just need to download it. As you can see, Here you can add to my products, add to my product, to list product in a bulk, connect product packaging, or you can click on connect. Once you click over here connect, then it will give you the options to connect with your website. So here you can see it has been come over that place in the store product. Just click on connect. Here you just need to select your store first of all, then select store again, then click on sync confirm, and now you can see it has been synced. Just click on connect. Please pin the product you want to. Okay, let's pin it. Enter your product name. So this is the product, and let's click on connection. So here we had some problem, that's why we are getting this issue. So let's come back to this palace and let's try to connect it. So I'm going to select this store again and then click this connect. Please pin the product you want to connect your store. So here we had to do some work. Just click on sync. Product is store, and let's click. Okay, so there we have an options to pin it. So let's do it. Okay, eventually I found out the problem where it's happening. So the problem is really simple. You just need to click on connect. Once you click over here, let's remove this tab to make it more clear for you. So once you click over here connect, it will not. So why? Because you just need to be download this image and upload it into your store. So here just copy all the things over here and let's upload and product this place. So give it to that place. So just copy all the things from that place one by one for your website. So I'm going to copy all the necessary things and I'm going to upload it here. Then we already downloaded and picture, so I'm going to extract it. Click on extract and again click on extract, and image has been installed. Just click on upload new, upload file, and then choose this one and let's select this one, and it will take a while to upload it, so we need to wait a bit for completing the process. And it has been done. Just click on done, and now you just need to give the price. What kind of price do you want to sell it? I'm going to click on sell. Just click on save, and it has been, or it will be saved within our couple of times. As you can see, it has been published and it is activated. So now you just need to come over here and you just need to click on your store, click on your store and click on sync, and now you can see products in store Y3K 1FE are being synced. Please wait a moment, and then just click on connect specific sync. Okay, then I just need to copy the title and then come back to this place and search for product. Like the product will be come over here. So sometimes it takes a couple of minutes, so you just need to fix this thing properly. It's depend on you. Just search, and then there is a problem I faced, that will be fixed. And here you can see how easy the process was. So here you just need to add a product over that place and click on unconnected, and from that place here you can see our product has been added. And let's come back to this one and let's copy this one, and here let's pin it and let's connect this one, and now eventually you can see it has been connected. Just click on confirm. Please select the product to be connected. I'm going to select this one, or you can select whatever you want. So I'm going to select this one and click on confirm. So here you just need to choose the shipping method. I'm going to choose the call DHS official. Just click on. Please select the products to be connected, and these two are will be connected. Just click on confirm, and you can see connected successfully. So as you can see how easy the process was to start your drop shipping with zero money. Or if you select this product, and let's go and let's view it in our final result, and finally you can see this will be our product, and it looks amazing and reliable shipping, all the things. Like whenever anyone will be purchased, they will get this product directly from CG Dropshipping. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you have any question related to this video, then ask me. Don't hesitate to ask me in the comment box. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.